Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we're going to be making teriyaki burgers. It's going to be definitely very interesting. I've always wanted to make these. I'm just going to skip the pineapple, because usually they're supposed to be pineapple, and I prefer not to leave it since it's going to be more Japanese rather than Hawaiian. I'm going to just fast forward through the burger making process. I've already made burgers on the channel, so you'll be able to just see it in time lapse, and then I'll get back to you over when we get to the grilling part. So I'll see you then. All right, we are back. So we got our grill set up. So now we're going to get started. Due to these, normally you should freeze these, but due to me want to eat them immediately, I can't do that. So I have a little thing here that allows me to do it. So. Okay, so now we got them on. We are now going to paint them with more of our sauce. It'll really make sure they got some. Okay, now we're gonna shut that. I'm gonna shut that, let them cook for a little bit, and then we'll just rinse and repeat. We're probably gonna do it for about like 2 to 3 minutes each time, and just keep flipping, keep going sauce until you feel like you're comfortable. And once you feel like you're comfortable, just keep going to your desired thing. It's gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna do the whole time-lapse thing. So I will see you guys after they're all cooked. All right, let's see how this tastes. Just so you know, it took about like 20-ish minutes for it, and to be honest, I did say to freeze it beforehand, but I think if I freeze it, it would mess with the flavors and everything. So if you can make it the day of, or you're ever gonna make them, I suggest you do so. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's delicious. So what I did was just use some a bun, just a regular bun, whatever you prefer. Then the patty, then some cabbage, and then on the cabbage you put some. If you have any leftover, put any leftover sauce on the cabbage, and then put some mayo and some sriracha. It was amazing, nice and sweet, and then you get the nice crunch from the cabbage. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is way better than my other ones. But so both are very good. So hope yours turned out as good as mine, and have a good rest of your night.